going to show you today how to create a collage using PowerPoint, and how you can find the assignment, and then how you can complete the assignment with all your technology, and how you can turn it in. So today I'm going to use Mr. Greenwood's class as the example. He created this assignment for me out of my request. So I'm going to go to Mr. Greenwood's class here. And under assignments, I see that he assigned me, he's assigned me a lot of things, but he assigned me this collage PowerPoint right here. It says create a collage describing you. Well, there's nothing attached to it, nothing I can click on, so what do? Well, I want you to use PowerPoint for this, and so what we do is we go to our web browser in the Spokane Public Schools main page here. We need to find our Clever account. So if you know how to get to your Clever account, go ahead and do that. For me, I go down here, sorry, wrong click there. I want to go to Digital Tools, and this shows Clever there. If it'll move my box, there you go, or my my face, so you can see the Clever. You're going to click on the Clever icon. Office 365 is a whole bunch of resources that you want to use. So if it's not there, you have down right here, and you could click the heart in order to make sure that it's accessible to you. But you click Office 365. Hopefully it doesn't make me log in here. All right, and then we go to Microsoft PowerPoint. All right, if you don't have it, you might need to click New and then type in PowerPoint to get it, or click All Apps and be able to find PowerPoint right there. You can make it, you can choose one of these designs from a pre-existing theme, but I'm going to click New Blank Presentation so you can see everything, how to run everything from this. And then once it's open, what I like to do is I like to delete the first page because it has some text boxes already created for you. And in order to do that, we need to add a new slide first. So hopefully it'll allow me to click New Slide here pretty soon. Right up here is a new slide. Or I could just delete these text boxes. I think I can delete those somehow. Click on and I'm hitting delete there. Okay, so if I wanted to, I could choose any of these backgrounds here. So I spent a lot of time at the lake, so I'm going to choose this one. You don't have to choose that, but it'll be a background here for my collage. I have family that are farmers, so I could choose some wheat there, or we can see additional designs. Or I can hit Control-Z to undo that a couple times. Control-Z didn't work, so we'll go up here and hit the undo arrow. Okay, so we're working with a blank template. All right, so your objective on this is just to throw things into this PowerPoint slide that are you. And so what you're going to do is click Insert, and you're going to insert some things. If you want to download some pictures and put them on your device, great. If you want to keep it simple and choose from stock images, please do that as well. That is totally fine. So one of my favorite activities for the summer is golfing. So I'm just going to type golf stock images. I'm going to click my favorite photo of golf, and I'm going to throw it into this slide. Okay, I'm going to turn it sideways a little bit here so everything's not perfectly straight, and I'll throw it up into this top corner. Okay, I also like basketball, so I'm going to take a little time to insert something about basketball. Let's see, basketball. Throw just a hoop in there. I'll put it in the opposite corner here, and I'm going to tilt it. I don't know, I like a little symmetry, even though it's a collage. I like some symmetry. You kind of get that. Let's see here. Oh, I should probably put my name in here, so let's go to text box. I'll put a text box in here. My name is Mr. Schulteis. So in the text box, I'm going to type Mr. Schulteis, but I don't really like that font or style, so I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to choose a different text. Hopefully they give me some options here. I'll choose Broadway here just to mix it up, and that is way too small a print, so we'll go to 24, maybe a little higher, 32. Okay, my name is Mr. Schulteis there. I'm going to change the font color by clicking here. We'll do something blue. I like blue. Okay, and I'm just going to throw it. You can put it anywhere. It's a collage, so I'm going to take this. I'm going to put it in the bottom left corner. I don't want it to be that pronounced. Okay, for this, you actually have to use the words, and I'm a mathematician for this activity. So let's go ahead and do that one more time with and I'm a just like so. And we'll do something similar. Change that to orange. We'll bold it. You know what? I want to italicize it too. And this will raise the font. Okay, if you see the letters kind of go together like that, you just make your text box a little bit bigger. There we go. And I'm going to throw it, I don't know, right there. And then you just keep going. So something else you can do if you want to insert another picture, but you don't want to go stock images, you can go to Bing Pictures or other resources if you have them. And I like boating. So let's see what we got for. Definitely spend a little time on the lake. There's me and my family right there. Just kidding. An older boat that gets us all out there, so you can throw one on there. And then there was something else that I wanted to use. So you can see what you can type in there. The other thing I wanted to use was actually going to the internet. Let me drag a web browser over here so we can look at it. So my college, I did go to the fall for the first 2 years. So I can type in SFCC. Let's see if I can get an image from Spokane Falls Community College. I got my Associate of Arts degree from there, so I could transfer to Eastern. And so maybe I'll type in Spokane Falls Community College. There we go. And I'm just going to look up images. I probably should have clicked images at the top, but I hope you guys will be following along here with me. Let's see if I can copy this. I'm just going to try to copy this image right here. Take it back to my PowerPoint. Paste that on there. Hopefully it'll work. It did not. Okay, we'll try that again. A better way to do this is to click images when you do your first search. That image there. There we go. So I was a Spokane Falls Community College graduate. And you know what? I also went to Eastern, so I should go up here and see if I can find Eastern Eagle. With the Inferno, I could do that. Let's see if I can find an eagle. Eagle logo. Copy image. Take it back into my presentation and paste it there. Okay, I think I have a picture of my family, so I'm going to see if I can find it on here. So I'm just going to computer. That's what I'm looking through right now. I'm not going to make you see all of them here. There's one. See if I can attach that. It's probably going to be, oh, there we go. Perfect. And there's a picture of my family. Make it a little bit bigger. And so if I do something like this, you guys will mess around with it. The idea is just to show us who you are, but also kind of get used to working with the technology. So, and I'm a mathematician is underneath my picture. So if I want to bring that to the front, I can right click, and there's some editing that I can do. Let's see here. Why is that not? It's not allowing me to do it on there. So I'm going to click my picture, I'm going to right click, and I can send it to the back. So send to back. So you can kind of order what thing pops to the front and what gets covered up. And because it's a little hard to read this, I think I'll change that font again. And we'll go to green. That's a little bit better, easier to read. Okay, so let's say I'm done. I'm going to spend a lot more time on this, make it look better. I'm going to put a background in here. I can go to design and choose a design and put a background in as well. You'll see it. Okay, so it's saved. There we go. You can notice it says presentation 2 is saved up here. I can title this Schulteis collage. And then what do I turn it in? Well, I go to Microsoft Teams. In this assignment in Greenwood's class, or in my class because I assigned it to you, I'm going to click Add Work. Now if I click OneDrive, maybe it'll pop up, maybe it won't, but in mine what I notice is it doesn't pop up and find the stuff that I'm usually looking for, so I like doing it with a link. And it's asking for the web address. So type Schulteis collage, and if you click this button share right here, it'll give you a link. Click share, copy link, make sure you click copy, and then what I can do is go into my team, Control V, paste it, or you can right click. You can't right click. Control V, paste it, and I can attach. Make sure you turn in by clicking the right hand turn in button up here. I've now turned in my collage right there. It should give me something like that. Okay. Mr. Greenwood didn't make it worth any points, but I will, and then I'll be able to look at it and share with you guys the next time we meet how it did. And I appreciate you doing this work. Thanks.